One gun, how many days?
Kalashnikov or 10 days.
Takes 10 days to copy one of these. It's a homemade thing. We made it to Darra finally, and this is the town where rifles are made by hand and they're all copied. This guy's making a barrel of a rifle. They use a lot of just hand files, vices. There's a few lathes around. There's a rifle there on the wall. Copied.
How many days to make it? One gun is 4 days.
All bullets are made by hand.
4 days to make a gun.
Apparently it takes 4 days to make a gun. There's a bit there. There's a man sitting with an original AK. They're copy a lot of the AKs. How many days to make AK?
One gun.
One gun, how many days?
Kalashnikov or 10 days.
Takes 10 days to copy one of these.
7mm 4 days.
There's another rifle sitting on the floor there. There's all his tools. It's a homemade thing. And the real one.
On the right is true.
Wow, we're in a real local bus going back. It was really local. The ladies with the veils on. Video.